I don't know what I feel like doing. I just took care of some dishes that was just here for the last few days, and I did not open the door for my house help because I was just not feeling like it. And it looks like my sleep schedule is just but good news is that I've pushed the production already. I don't know what time it is. Let's find out what time it is. This is a little bit of a cringe font saver, whatever you want to call it, wallpaper. I don't know what the fuck you'd call it, but it's 9:20 p.m. I should head to bed soon because the house help is here at 7 a.m. Thought it was 8 a.m. but 7 a.m. She's gonna be here at 7 a.m. Taken care of the dishes, but I'm also thinking what to do. Now I have a tripod, but I still don't have a mic. That just means that I'll have to be close to the camera. Sorry about that. While I'm speaking. Wait, what the fuck? How do I figure this out? Okay, let's figure this out. Put you on there and see what we can possibly do. I didn't have laundry, by the way. I had to go pick laundry. I had nothing to wear for like the past few days, and I was just wearing clothes from the corner of my wardrobe I didn't know exists. I mean, I did. I'm pretty organized now with my wardrobe, but I'm just talking about like things I wouldn't normally wear otherwise, right? Okay, so you're gonna have a little bit of a turbulence when I mount you. Let's see. I think we're gonna have to have this higher. The screw is here. Okay, let's spin you high. Spin you again. I don't think it's doing anything. I mean, I see a communication for sure. Oh no. I don't know what I did. Are we still? I think we're still doing. What the fuck? This is taking forever. I think this is like. Oh fuck. It's too low, no? And okay, that's too much. Wait. Oh, we have a balance. So let's see. This one's also. Hi, we're so close to each other right now. I don't know how comfy I am with this. I should not be worried about me. I should be worried about you. Okay, good chat. Are you looking good? Now you've given me like a lot of energy. Yeah, this is what I talk about. Your brain being in survival mode, but I don't want to get preachy right now. Send out a persuasion. Let's call it the persuasion message. I don't know what I want to call it. Keep up with my terminologies as we go. So the point is, I don't want to make it sound like an outbound, but I want it to sound like I'm trying to have a conversation with them, which I have done already. Like, wait, let's send this out. Let's send this message out. I have something already kind of drafted. Wow, look at this. I haven't turned this motherfucker on all day today. I have something like roughly typed out, like I know where I want the message to go, which is the biggest thing. That's all you need, and then executing. So I have that in my notes. I haven't fully completed it. Wait, should we take care of the laundry? Hold on. Let me move you this way. This is where all the magic happens, people. I wish I could play music. I wish YouTube didn't have. But hey, that's how IPs work, right? Copyright is one of the way you can file for your property. Well, what view do we like? Do we like this view? Should we go lower? Should we go slightly lower? Hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Do we like this? Do we like this? Yeah, we Gucci. Let's get it going, chat. Whatever the fuck this is. Hello, chat. I cannot see what you can see, you little blind dumbass. But just know that I'm gaping. Just know that if it weren't for you, I wouldn't send this out like right now. It's turning on, chat. Thank God this is not a Windows. I'm trying to send out a message to an individual on LinkedIn and trying to form a connection with them so I can eventually bring them to my Notion, or better way to say it is eventually put myself in or bring myself in their Notion. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. But we're gonna fake it till we make it. We're gonna pretend to be not interested in business. I mean, doing business with them. No, that's not how it goes. We're gonna pose as no business is happening with us. And then unexpectedly, I don't know. I have my message. Let's send it out to her. I want to send it today is a Sunday. I don't want to send it to her on Monday morning because I know she's going to have things to do. So how do we begin? Where one, it is novel or it gets her attention, or should I just glaze her? But I don't want her to know but also establish the language. Oh shit. What do we do? I think it does. Maybe it doesn't. I think we'll find out together. But okay, so let's say like the name of her business is, should we do is, I want a synonym for enable. I don't want to say help, but I don't want to say enable. That's a good thing that she's done a PhD in finance. I don't know why I thought her profile mentioned PhD, finance and philosophy. So in my message earlier, I said I'm so curious about the philosophy arc, the founder in you, some deadly combos. Can I ask you a few questions? I don't want to say businesses. What do we say? What is a better word for it? Capitalism is too much. I don't want to do capitalism. But that's just, the term capitalism is what my entire SOP is built on. Whatever exists. But enable, no. Facilitate, no. Business, synonym. Business, synonym. Something's wrong with this fucking camera and there's no way I will know what. Keeps losing focus, like it ran out of all storage, so I had to delete all the footage that I had from another video. 2, keeps getting out of focus, like I keep getting out of focus. I'm trying to say something, I move my hands and it's out of focus. I don't understand. I've tried to do something, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. I don't know, maybe it'll do something. But with my I don't know why my glasses. Fuck, I lost my flow, but it's going to be a slightly. Shut the fuck up, dumbass. So I'm starting with thank you for your time. Like she has already given me her time, right? So thank you for your thank you for your time. And then in the end, do you want me to read it out to you? Hold on, I'm gonna just bring out the closing line. Trust, no, let's not say trust because people don't seem to understand. But I've also been getting attention because I use that word. So, I want to say something on the lines of hope you boss lady, you're weak ahead. But I don't want to say hope. I'm just gonna say Monday awaits you. Monday awaits you, boss lady. Monday awaits you, boss lady. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. So here's what I've written to her. Thank you for your time. Your company is facilitating creation and sustaining digital footprints for businesses. This is going to be slightly longer read for the question, Stella. To keep up with associations formed with users, keeping up with the changing. To keep up with associations formed with users, keeping up with the change requires understanding the change in the way people consume. Now that we have chronically online mass. Now that we are chronically online mass, how often should one adapt their data to stay relevant, and would you know the best practice? Said Monday awaits you, boss lady. Woohoo! It's 10 o'clock. I'm sending her a message at fucking 10 o'clock. I really hope I was in focus because otherwise I'm gonna like what. What we have to do is get her footprint and the rankings, not hers per se, but I mean, your worth is just as much as your organization. I said it first. Sent in the message, the roadmap of my solution is ready because I've taken a glance at an overview of all the connecting nodes. But I haven't gotten into the depth of what is different about them, and nothing has stood out to me. Like I really want it to stick out to me, right? I don't want to be looking for you, but if in the first set of due diligence from my end, but I will find it eventually, which I think I have found and I've structured. So that's when I found it. I found all the connecting nodes, and then I found that she could or they could use a proprietary control in their flywheel, and that's what's going to make their flywheel. And there's nothing unique about them. I want them to be a data company. Yeah, so message is done, footprint and rankings. I'll have to like properly organize it or find a way to. I think I have an idea now that actually I did the right thing by first having the roadmap of the solution, just to know the relevant information that I need to have, but I also need to have her entire footprint, her entire existence on the internet, and her rankings, and I really want to know what they've done and try and value them at where they stand, and only then can I tell them where we can be. Oh yeah, so creation of dogs is the next thing. But another important thing. Oh fuck! I messed up. We have to fix this. I was supposed to bring her to the Notion. Like it was supposed to start right now. But I've already sent it. I don't think she's seen it. Good decision. Where the fuck is it? हेलो
हेलो
कैसा कैसा है?
हेलो
तेरी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है।
हेलो हेलो
हाँ बोल।
हेलो आ रही है आवाज़?
हाँ हाँ आ रही है।
हाँ कैसी हो बता सकती हो क्या?
ठीक हूँ क्या कर रहा है?
मैं वो है
मम्मी अपने घर पे?
अपने घर पे मैं तो गाड़ी जा रहा हूँ गाड़ी गई हूँ कल ना मैं बोला ना कि आरी का मैक पहली बार बैठा है तेरे आपका
नहीं
चल ठीक है मैं
बोल ना जल्दी बोल ना मैं काम कर रही हूँ।
क्या कर रही हो?
मैं मैसेज डाल दी थी किसी को लेकिन एक गलती हो गई, अब मैं उसको फिक्स कर रहा हूँ।
चल ठीक है बहुत बात है तो मेरा नंबर ठीक है ओके कर लेगा ठीक है
बाय बाय बाय।
हाँ हाँ बाय बाय
It looks like I'm gonna have company, but I have company for a few days, starting day after tomorrow. Also looks like wait. Where the fuck is the other safari? Like what the fuck, Brody? Bro. I still got it. Chad, I can't find the paper bag. Chad? Whoa! Nothing happened. It really blends in with a lot of other things. There's a pimple patch. I don't have a pimple. I do not have a pimple. Which one should we do? What size should we do? I'm gonna do this size. Shut up. Did I get it? I don't know if I got it. Ali Abdal is on the toilet, people. Ali Abdal in the house. Can we get a shout out for Ali Abdal? I see all his newsletters got. Should we do a newsletter review? 5 quotes I've been reflecting on. Wait. 5 quotes I've been reflecting on and book recommendations. Hey Tina Goswami, last week I asked you all for some book series recommendation. Big thank you to 200 of you who replied with 164 different series recommendations. At the top of this email I've listed the top 10 in case you're looking for some fiction recommendation. No, I'm not. Anyway, I don't feel like I have anything useful to say this week, lol. That makes the one of us. So in addition to the book recommendation below, here are 5 quotes from various blah blah blah. From Meditations for Mortals by Oliver Burkeman. Before we get into this seems pretty lengthy and we'll still analyze each and every one of them. Now the book recommendation. The King Killer. You won't believe this! You won't believe this! You won't believe this! Yes! Look! Oh my god! No way! That's exactly what I'm reading! It's a series, right? But I'm reading the second part. I haven't done the first part, but it doesn't matter. Bro, this book I've been reading since 2019 pages. I think I'm at page number 290 or something. Doesn't end, bro. How is it you want my review? I've picked it up like 20 times and read. What is 200 by 20? 10 pages each time. Not really, but you get what I'm trying to say. It's not bad. It's not bad. Why did we end recording? What? It's not fiction. I don't like. I'm not into fiction right now. Okay, where does go? Let's do where does go for the read bit. How long have we got, chat? 10 minutes. Okay, chat. We got 10 minutes, 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go. Let's read what Ali Abdaal's got to give us, right? The first one is from Meditations for Mortals by Oliver Burkeman. Many people these days report the feeling that they begin each morning in a kind of productive debt, which they must struggle to pay off over the course of the day in hopes of returning to a zero balance by evening comes. If they fail or worse, don't even try. It's as though they haven't quite justified their existence on the planet. If this describes you, there's a good chance that, like me, you belong to the gloomy bunch psychologists labeled insecure overachievers, which is a diplomatic way of saying that our accomplishments, impressive as they may sometimes be, are driven ultimately by feelings of inadequacy. I think we should all stop being pseudo psychologists, philosophists, everything. That we need to stop giving ourselves self-diagnosing shit. Like, we need to stop doing that. And just because we have access to information and consumption in the tip of our fingers does not, equip yourself, but also stop taking things for face value, right? Like, do your own bit and stop being useless. Stop being useless. If you feel like there's a debt, stop wiring yourself like that. From Die with Zero by Bill Perkins, referencing the top 5 regrets of the dying by palliative care nurse Bronnie Ware. Along those lines, the second regret, and actually the top regret among Ware's male patients, was his male patients. I wish I had not worked so hard. That hits right at the what? I think I know what Ali Abdaal is trying to do here. That hits right at the heart of what I'm teaching. All of the men I nurse deeply regretted spending so much of their lives on the treadmill of a work existence, whereas women had this regret too, but as Ware points out, her patients were from an older generation when fewer women worked outside the home. And when people say they regret working so hard, they're not talking about the hard work of raising children. They're talking about working to make a living, to pay bills, and as a result missing their children's youth and their partnership's companionship. There you have it, chat. There is no there is no. It actually feels like a mold, right? Like we're all like, it feels like the first one was the same person but a lot earlier in his age. This one's a lot same person, a lot older. So he ended up in a nurse care, in palliative care. Yeah. From The Second Mountain by David Brooks, the natural tendency is to point oneself at the center of any activity. To ask, how am I doing? That question is fine to ask once, but it becomes paralyzing if you ask it all the time. A pitcher who is thinking about how he is pitching cannot pitch well. His focus is on self, not the task. In any hard discipline, whether it be gardening, structural engineering, or Russian, the philosopher and motorcycle mechanic Matthew Crawford, however the fuck you wanna say it, right? One submits to things that have their own intractable ways. What the fuck does intractable? intractable, hard to control or deal with. Okay, whatever. Sure. From how to live on it 24 hours a day. Oh my god, I love this. I love the sounds of it. You know why? Let me show you. Let me show you why. Here we go, chat. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one. Oh, my screen recording stopped, but can you see, chat? You can see my pimple patch. There is no light. Now you can see, chat. Can you see, chat? Now you can. It says whatever it says, I don't know. But yeah, we're on the same track. Okay, where this score is done. No. Actually, that was a nice FKJ. Have you heard of FKJ before? FKJ is nice. I like FKJ. He means fruit kiwi juice. Okay, let's try a new one. I haven't listened to this one. Okay, let's find out what this guy's name is. Fuck! Okay, we don't have time, do we? FKJ. French multi-instrumentalist. French kiwi juice. Okay, back to 24 hours. By Anil Yada. I have found no such wonderful secret, nor do I expect to find it, nor do I expect that anyone else will ever find it. It is undiscovered when you first began to gather my drift. Perhaps there was a resurrection of hope in your breast. Perhaps you said to yourself, this man will show me an easy, unfatiguing way of doing what I have so long in vain wished to do. No, the fact is that there is no easy way, no royal road. The path to Mecca is extremely hard and stony, and the worst of it is that you never quite get there after all. The most important preliminary to the task of arranging one's life so that one may fully live and comfortably within one's daily budget of 24 hours is the calm realization of the extreme difficulty of the task of sacrificing the endless effort which it demands. I cannot too strongly insist on this. Okay, www short from good work. Good work doesn't usually happen on a factory schedule and often has a natural seasonality, but when you stop doing it, good work seduces you back. It is something you must do. Once you discover your good work, take it seriously and protect it, as it can be one of the most powerful ways to show up in the world, contribute and feel useful. I don't know, chat. Okay, Chronicle, okay, Eragon, Throne of Glass, The Lord of the Rings. The Lord of the Rings was also in a lot of recommendations, including Elon Musk. Then we had few different series that were recommended by 3 people each. Wheel of Time. I don't care about 3 people. Hunger Games. I don't care. I don't care about none of this. Alright, chat, good night.